Good afternoon, Michael Masserang here again, and today I'm on the south side of Charlotte in the 28277 zip code, and got referred to this job through a restoration company, one of the big ones, and kind of interesting. They saw some of our other educational videos, and they told us they couldn't find a company that was interested in doing this work, so I wanted to feature this real quickly in today's video. This is, of course, these are apartments, and it's several stories. It's a big building, and it's a slab on grade, commercial construction. And there are 3 places on the building where water is leaking into the structure, and this can happen with slab on grade homes or commercial buildings. And you can see here these old pads. This is where the air conditioning units were, and we had to have those removed so that we could get the work area in here. But basically what we found out was that it's just not graded properly here. So the grade was higher than the level of the cold joint, where basically the foundation wall sits on the footer. There's a weak spot there where water will seep through that cold joint, and it gets into slab on grade homes. And so what we've done is we've dug this entire area up, put in some catch basins, changed the level of the grade, and put in a washboard composite layer that you see here, which has to be above the level of the grade for the system to completely work. But that's how you stop the water from getting into the building. There is no footing drain. We did confirm that. You can see all the old utility lines here that are still here. But so if you're a property management company, a restoration company, maybe an HOA, we are on the board of an HOA, a homeowners association, and you have a slab on grade building or home that needs to be waterproofed, we certainly have no problem taking on these types of projects here like this today. And this will stop the water from getting into the structure, and we're happy to work with the team to regrade and to waterproof, put in surface drainage improvements as well to remedy a situation like this. Even if there's not a place to take the water, you don't necessarily have to have a drain tile, especially if it's above grade. You just have to backfill up against it with compactable fill, and as you see in this case, create a catch basin system. So very interesting dynamic, and we were very happy to work on this project for this company. And there are 2 other work areas as well, but we'll keep this short and simple. So just a little education about drainage control and waterproofing on slab on grade construction. If you have any questions on that, you can reach me at 704-787-6972 or specialtyfoundationrepair.com, and you also see that up on your screen for reference. Again, this is Michael Masserang on the south side of Charlotte, doing some waterproofing and foundation drainage improvements. Look forward to talking to you again, and we'll see you on the next project. Take care. Have a great day.